Little Pip was a tiny blue bird with a very big heart. He lived in a cozy nest made of soft grass and feathers. Every morning, Pip looked out at the forest and wondered what was hiding behind the big green leaves. Today was the day he would find out. Flap, flap, flap. Pip stretched his wings and tumbled into the air. He landed softly in a meadow of tall grass. A bright yellow butterfly fluttered past his beak. "Hello," chirped Pip. "Where are you going?" The butterfly just danced in the sunlight. Pip hopped through the meadow until he found a wiggly-diggly stream. The water went swish and splash over the smooth gray stones. Pip leaned down to take a tiny sip. The water was cool and fresh. Suddenly, a green turtle peeked out from under a large hosta leaf. "Slow and steady," the turtle said with a wide, slow smile. Pip gave a happy hop. He liked making new friends in the big, wide world. Pip wanted to see even more. He flew up, up, up. The trees were so tall they seemed to touch the fluffy white clouds. "I am as high as a kite," he sang. The wind tickled his blue feathers as he soared. High in the branches of an oak tree, Pip met a squirrel with a very bushy tail. The squirrel was busy hiding a crunchy brown nut. "Is that your lunch?" Pip asked. The squirrel gave a quick twitch of his nose and scurried away. Pip flew back down to the ground and found a garden full of giant flowers. There were red ones, pink ones, and deep purple ones. They smelled as sweet as honey. Pip felt like he was walking through a rainbow. Bzz, bzz. A fuzzy bumblebee landed on a bright pink petal right in front of Pip. Pip watched as the bee did a little wiggly dance. The bee was collecting yellow dust to take back to its hive. Nature was a very busy place. The bright sun began to sink low, turning the sky into a painting of orange and gold. Pip's wings started to feel heavy and tired. It had been a long day of adventuring, and he was ready for a rest. Pip flew back to his cozy nest and tucked his head under his warm wing. He had seen so many wonders today. As the first stars began to twinkle, Pip fell fast asleep. "Good night, big world," he whispered in his dreams.